Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Thursday, the 11th of October. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened in the market yesterday. It was a day that was dominated in the US by the tech sector. Stocks dropping. The index dropped around about 600 points. That's the S&P. The PPI numbers actually came in on forecast at 0.2. When the stock market goes down, it tends to favor the currency as money moves from stocks into cash. So the US dollar had a very strong day yesterday and pretty much dominated against all the currencies except the UK. And in the UK, we saw the GDP number come in at 0% and the manufacturing production number come in at minus 0.2%. Although the data was negative and below the forecast. The reason the US dollar did not dominate the pound was because the Brexit negotiation talks are taking center stage and they are very close to coming to an agreement. They're in around about 85% certain that it will be a done deal. So yesterday the GBP had a very strong day with the cable jumping up to around about the 131.80 mark. So that's pretty much all that's happened yesterday. So let's now have a look at our chart of the day. Incidentally, yesterday's chart of the day did not trigger. We got very close and then it just turned in the other direction and we broke the low of the inside candle, which basically meant you needed to go and cancel your order out. So we had no trade yesterday. Now today's chart of the day is the Kiwi yen on a daily time scale. Now you can see clearly from the chart that I'm showing you here a level of support. The market has come to this level once, twice, and we are there again now. Before we do just take action simply because we could be at a possible support level, is I like to wait for price action to confirm a reversal at this region. So I've highlighted the area that I'm interested in, and essentially what I'm looking for is I'm looking for any price action reversal candle pattern to occur in this area, like an inside candle, engulfing candle, hanging man, things of that nature. And if I do get one, well then I would be happy to take that trade as a buyer. But add this one to your watch list. It is not ready yet, but it could be very shortly. That is the Kiwi yen daily time scale, today's chart of the day. Alright, in terms of news for the session which is about to kick off, we have at 3 o'clock and 7 o'clock Governor Carney is scheduled to speak, so let's see what he says there. It could make an impact on the pound, especially with these Brexit negotiations so tightly monitored at the moment. And then at 10:30 later in the session from the US, we have CPI numbers due out. That pretty much wraps up the session in terms of data. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.